Great! Now let's see how to transform this parallelepiped into a pyramid using your CostyCNC machine and rotary table, if you have one. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we're learning how to use custom G-code to do something with a rotary Z plate and two X and Y movements. For this, I'm using the free online program CostyCNC. We'll start by writing the G0X10 command in the G-code box. When you click the button, this command will be sent to the CNC machine, instructing it to move the X-axis 10 millimeters, 1 centimeter. This works in CostyCNC because it has some settings pre-configured. Other programs might require you to write the full command, like G0X10 F500, to move the machine. To control your machine and GRBL software more effectively and reliably, let's explore the essential G-code parameters. The G21 G-code command tells the interpreter that all subsequent measurements are in millimeters. So with X5, the CNC machine will move 5 millimeters. Conversely, the G20 command sets the units to inches. Therefore, X5 would move the machine 5 inches. The G91 command tells to interpreter that is incremental movement. So if write X10 and send to CNC repeatedly the X10 command, the CNC will move 10 millimeter at any command. The G90 G-code command defines absolute positioning. This means the machine moves to a specific location based on the G-code value. So with the first X10 command, the machine will move to the X10 coordinate, absolute position. Sending another X10 command won't move it further. It's already at X on 10. However, using X30 will move the machine to a new absolute position at X30. G92, offset. Use the G92 G-code command to set the current machine position as the new 0 point. Here's why you'd use G92. Imagine you jog the machine, using the arrows, to your desired starting point. If you then send GT1 G90X0, the machine will move back to its original home position, not where you jogged it. To prevent this, after jogging to your starting point, send G92X0Y0 for both X and Y axes to set that position as the new 0 for subsequent G-code commands. The F parameter in G-code controls the feed rate, which is the speed at which the cutting tool or machine moves during cutting operations. To change the cutting speed, simply adjust the F value in your G-code program. However, the F parameter is primarily used with G01 commands, which instruct the machine to move along a straight line while cutting. It's generally ignored with G00 commands, which are used for rapid positioning, without cutting. Now that we've explored the meaning of G-code headers in CostyCNC programs, let's leverage our CNC machine to create something truly interesting. Great! Now let's see how to transform this parallelepiped into a pyramid using your CostyCNC machine and rotary table, if you have one. He parallelepiped has a height of 8 centimeters and a width of 6 centimeters. We'll use millimeters, G21, for measurements, and incremental positioning, G91. The feed rate will be set to F500. The Z8 mean rotate table with 90 degrees. This code snippet is for one face of the parallelepiped. You'll need to repeat it 4 times with slight adjustments for the other 3 faces to create a pyramid. You've copied the G-code for one pyramid face 4 times. Then run the G-code and see the result. Congratulations! You've successfully written G-code from scratch for your CostyCNC project. I'm also happy to announce that the CostyCNC machine is available for purchase on eBay at an unbeatable price of only €99 from Italy. This machine is perfect for hobbyists with a limited budget who are interested in learning about numerical control, CNC. Thanks for sticking around and watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. I've got new videos coming out all the time, so you don't want to miss them.